The Bayraktar TB2 is an unmanned aerial vehicle, often referred to as a drone, that has revolutionized modern warfare. It is designed and manufactured in Turkey by Bayraktar Technology, a leading company in drone innovation and technology. The TB2 operates at medium altitudes and can remain airborne for many hours, providing continuous surveillance and operational support. Its primary roles are intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, ISR, and precision strikes, making it a versatile tool in various missions. This dual capability makes it a valuable asset for military forces worldwide, enhancing their operational effectiveness. The TB2 is cost-effective, priced between $5 to $10 million, making it accessible for many countries looking to bolster their defense capabilities. Its combat record is impressive, having been deployed in various conflicts including Syria, Libya, Nagorno-Karabakh, Ukraine and Western Sahara, where it has shown remarkable performance. It has proven effective against advanced air defense systems, tanks and other armored vehicles, demonstrating its strategic importance in modern warfare. The Bayraktar TB2 features a 12-meter wingspan, which provides excellent stability and lift during flight, and a 6.5-meter fuselage designed to house advanced avionics and payload systems. Its sleek modern design reduces air resistance, enhancing its aerodynamic efficiency and overall performance. The lightweight composite materials, including carbon fiber, make it strong yet light, allowing for greater maneuverability. The drone's robust structure withstands long-duration flights and dynamic combat maneuvers, ensuring reliability in various missions. It uses a Rotax 912 engine, known for its dependability and fuel efficiency, providing consistent power for extended operations. This engine powers a two-blade propeller in a pusher configuration, optimizing thrust and reducing noise. The TB2 can stay airborne for up to 27 hours. Which is crucial for extended surveillance missions and continuous monitoring. It typically operates at 18,000 feet, providing a strategic vantage point for reconnaissance, but can reach up to 27,000 feet, staying safe from many short-range air defenses and ensuring mission success. The Bayraktar TB2 is equipped with an electro-optical/infrared camera turret for high-resolution imagery and thermal imaging. It includes a laser rangefinder and designator for precise targeting with laser-guided munitions. The drone can carry up to 150 kilograms of guided munitions, such as the MAML and MAM-C. It is operated remotely by a crew in a ground control station, GCS, using consoles with multiple screens and controls to manage its flight path, systems and weapons. The Bayraktar TB2 uses advanced communication systems, including line-of-sight data links and satellite communication for global reach, enabling it to operate over vast distances. It can take off and land autonomously, operate from simple airstrips and has low maintenance requirements, making it highly efficient and cost-effective. Turkey is the primary operator, but many other nations, including Ukraine, Azerbaijan, Qatar, Libya, Ethiopia, Morocco, Poland and Croatia, have acquired it, showcasing its global appeal and versatility. The TB2 has revolutionized modern warfare, demonstrating that affordable, unmanned aerial systems can be highly effective in various combat scenarios. It allows for persistent ISR and precision strikes with reduced risk to personnel, enhancing mission success rates, transforming how nations approach air power and reconnaissance, making it a game changer in military strategy.